All right, bear with me. This is going to be very quick. So my Mix Matter, I just may take a look at a weekly chart of crude. Stop by our store. He's got some great charts I would certainly recommend to follow. So this is a chart that you want me to take a look at. We have a sound climax with this automatic reaction. We're testing support here. These are higher highs or higher lows, so it looks like it's strength. But what we have here is the emergence of volume off this Brownian base of support, which looks like the demand's returning. We should see some increased ease of upward movement. We should have prices closing near highs, and it should have broke through this level of resistance. We never got a sign of strength. I think this is some redistribution. We break down, we're unable to trade lower, so that's actually bullish. But then we have the largest volume that's available in the entire year, or within 12, 13 months, and it did not result in pushing prices higher. So this again is a little suspect for redistribution. We gap up, there's no follow through, and now we have this up thrust. So the last few months, it actually is a little bit more suspicious toward redistribution. Although we're getting some buyers here, the volume relative to the for these sessions is lower. So there's actually not a lot of demand that's here. So this is actually, I'm leaning bearish. I think this is redistribution. If we look at some other things here, we'll find out some more information. So this is the Wyckoff wave sector comparison. And we can see here that the Wyckoff wave for oil is underperforming relative to its peers. That's bearish. If we look at the Wyckoff wave specifically, we can see this bearish descending channel. We see stronger volume, so there's still some supply that's present. We're not going to rally in the face of that. The OP index is actually positive, so that tells me that any breakdown is not going to be sustained really. The force is negative, sentiment's getting bearish, and the technometer is not overbought or oversold. So if the technometer was overbought and we still saw some weakness, this could actually puke and see some significant downside, but it's pretty neutral. We compare the crude holdings here. We can see that there is some sponsorship, and this actually, the rotation of money through the index actually caused prices to rally, but now it's very disorganized. It's not harmonious. And of that, ExxonMobil is showing some significant weakness. The industry is not going to trade higher in the fact of a weak ExxonMobil.